Hello guys, my name is Aipiri. Today we talk about the selecting a sample. First of all, we need to know about population. Population is all the entities that are relevant for your research. And we need to know what's a sample. Sample is a group of individuals who will actually participate in your research. In the sampling, we have two types of it's a probability sampling and non-probability sampling. Probability sampling involves random selection, allowing you to make strong statistical inference about the whole group. Probability sampling have four types of sampling. First is simple random sampling, probability sampling in which every member of study population has equal chance of select. Systematic sampling. The first element is selected randomly from a list or from sequential files and then everything elements is selected. Cluster sampling. A probability sampling procedure that involves randomly selection cluster of elements from the population and sequentially selecting every element in each selected cluster from inclusion in the sample. Stratified sampling is probability sampling procedure that involves dividing the population in groups or strata defined by the presence of certain characteristic and then random sampling from each stratum. Non-probability sampling involves non-random selection based on convenience or other criteria, allowing you to easily collect data. Non-probability sampling have four types of sampling. First is convenience sampling. Involves selecting sample based on conventions. Snowball sampling. Select sample and ask them to refer you to other. Quota sampling means to take a very tailored sampling that in proportion to same characteristic or trait or population. Purposive or judgmental sampling. Select a sample based on his or her own judgment. Sampling size. The number of individuals you should include in your sample depend on various factors including the size and variability of the population in your research design. Thank you for attention.